let's make some creamed field corn. There's a difference in field corn and sweet corn. Creamed field corn will swell to double its size. Creamed sweet corn may double half, maybe. Not much though. So let's go in and pour. We've got 2 cups of water. And I did fry some bacon in my pan. Let me turn you down. I did fry bacon in my pan to have some bacon. There's my bacon. To have some bacon flavor. And then I've got 2 cups of creamed field corn that we're putting in. Now this stuff will pop. I'm just going to tell you, it pops really bad. Really, really bad. And then we're gonna salt it. Guys, this is really easy. And then you're just gonna keep it stirred. And then I'll come back, because it'll take a little while. It didn't quite finish thawing out, but it'll take a little while. But I'll come back in a little bit so you can see how much it has swollen, okay? Okay guys, we're back to our corn. Will you look how it has thickened up? So again, if you have a cup of field corn, you want a cup of water. If you have 2 cups of field corn, you want 2 cups of water. Now this, when it cools down, corn, don't be surprised if your corn looks thicker when it cools down. Okay guys, right here at the end, I'm gonna put in a pat of butter. And we're gonna put in some black pepper to your taste. And this is done, guys. That's what it looks like. Isn't that beautiful? Beautiful corn. Okay, there you go, guys. Some creamed field corn. Make sure you get field corn. Okay.